My name is Geetansha. I am studying in UKG.
My name is Vishnu. I am studying in UKG.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dr. Bendre, Shivaram Kanak, Matki Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokar, Yuvananda Murthy, Girish Karnai, Chandrasekhar Kamla. Classical dance form of India, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kartak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Bhutia, Assam, Matti dance, Madhya Pradesh, Gandhiya, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Bhamanadi, Terana, Teriya, Tamilapari, Vailar, Yaguna.
Planets of solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Seven wonders
of India.
Seven wonders of India. Gomeshwara Temple, Karnataka. Hampi Temple, Karnataka. Golden Temple, Punjab. Khajura Temple, Madhya Pradesh. Shan Temple, Odisha. Mumbai City, Bihar. Taj Mahal, Agra.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dasavatar of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavara Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Basurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Epics of India.
Epics of India, Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Seven continents of the world.
729 of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Unjarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, B.B. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring state of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu,
Telangana.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsiism.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: January, Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasavara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
District in Karnataka.
District team Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru, Bengaluru Albai, Belgavi, Chikmagaluru, Chikbalapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Javanagari, Daruva, Dasam, Haveri, Kalaburgi, Kodugur, Goda, Gopala, Mandiya, Mysore, Ranagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Bijapura, Yagiri.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvika, Magatika, Magashira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna. Top 10 Indian scientists: APJ Abdul Kalam, Satyabhat Bose, Meghnad Saha, Ratla Chandra Rai, Salim Ali, Homi J. Baha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Ramanuja, C.B. Rama, Subramania Chandrasekhar.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Maulyavarda, Amonghavarsha, Madhakari Nayaka, Aturani Channamma, Avaka Bukka, Jai Chamaraj Narayan, Kempe Gowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right to temptation, right to freedom of religion, constitutional educational right, right to constitutional remedies.
Country and capital.
Country and capital: India, New Delhi, Russia, Moscow, China, Maiji, Pakistan, Islamabad, Afghanistan, Kabul, name of Kathmandu, Durban, Bhutan, Thimphu, Sri Lanka, Colombo, USA, Washington, United Kingdom, London, Canada, Ottawa, France, Paris, Italy, Rhodes, Germany, Warri, Indonesia, Jakarta, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Japan, Tokyo, Kenya, Nairobi, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Oman, Moscow, Thailand, Baghdad, Qatar, Doha.
Union territories.
Union territories: Andaman, Nicobar, Gajanagar, Haveri, Daman, New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Chandigarh.
5 sense organ.
5 sense organ: eyes, nose, tongue, skin.